Morning everybody, Jason, Hollis Farms. Back in the shop with the Polaris Ranger EV. Got another pair of axles in. I know we're gonna put one on the right front. That'll be 3 of them then. I don't think I need one on the right rear from looking the other day, but when we get the one on the right front, we're gonna jump back here and kind of shake around on it. If it ain't loose and all like these others, I'm not gonna replace it yet, but we for sure can put one on this right front. I'm ready to get this new rubber on and see what it looks like, see how it rides. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get this old caliper off. Where we can get everything. This one bolt on here is in a tight spot. They fine threaded. Boy, they take forever to get out. Especially that was tight in there. Maybe. Alright. Get this thing up here out of the way. Maybe it won't fall. Alright, let's pop this little rubber cap off. This one. Might be a motor, it looks like. Started. Yeah. At the time with that cotter pin. Cooking now though. Then, let's see if I can get this little one out easier than that big one was. Come on out of there. That one. Oops. There's lower control loose, so we can get a little movement. Tight. It's tight. Alright. Finally got her loose. We'll have to do some whooping on that thing. Get out of the way. See if we can get this thing pried out of here. Alright, so this axle has been aggravating. I had my battery for my wing sits right here. I had to take it out, give me a little room. I got it going now. It's starting. I think we can about get her now. Just didn't have quite enough room to get some leverage. Well, I thought I had it for the battery in there. Oh man, let's see. Well, must have cut the camera back on too soon. There it comes. I'd have been done 20, 30 minutes ago if it had come out easy. There it goes. This one wasn't just too bad, but we got her now. Alright, see if we can get her back together. Lower control start back over here. Alright, got the lower control back on, cutter pin in. Now let's put the hood back on. Right. There she goes. Every one of them's different. Oh, why? They do that. cover though. Gotta straighten the cotter pin a little bit. Getting there now. This caliper buckled back up on here. Gotta get the battery back in, hook the winch cables back up, and the little charger that goes with it. We're gonna check that right rear and see what we're gonna get into on that. Alright, got the winch battery back in, hooked up. Tested it to make sure it still works. Boy, we got mud coming everywhere, don't we? It's alright. The hood buckled back down. Windshield back down where I had it. I'm gonna check this right rear. It's just a little loose, but it ain't near like them others. I think I may be. Worst thing can happen is you get to rattling or something. And I have to put one in it. We got one and know how to do it now. I'm not fooling with that today. I'm gonna grease it up real good though. Alright, so 3 axles later in several days, we're back to where we started. New rubber for the Polaris EV. Got a 25 by 10s on the front. We're going to have 25 by 11s on the rear. Jack up high up. Oh, come here, Ty. Yeah. These stock tires that come on one like the Rangers and all are my favorite. Got plenty of traction. And don't tear your roads up, and they ride really like a little bit bigger, so we ought to get a little more clearance. I'll be able to go anywhere we want to go. I guess we'll get somewhere we don't need to be, we'll winch out. Three more and we'll be ready. I jacked the back up a little bit to get them on. Get these jack stands out. Alright, let's get this thing out here and see what she looks like. Thing is looking good. Perfect size, perfect tires, perfect tread. Alright, let's run her down the road. These motors have got a little whine to them compared to like the Beast. Oh yeah, hit somebody. I'm hearing that right rear axle a little bit. Yep, we're gonna have to put it in. It's alright. Ain't as bad as the other one was. Alright, new rubber on the Ranger EV, 3 axles, and we need one in the right rear. I can hear it. It's not as bad as the others, like I said, but I'm gonna save that for another day, a rainy day or something. I'm finna get in here and sweep the shop out, and got some other things I need to do today, but liking the ride, liking the tires, they're gonna work out perfect. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.